Hi, this is Kim Spiedick from 10 Sigma, where we provide resources and tools to help students make a successful transition to adult life. Welcome to episode 137 of Transition Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about functional transition skills and assessments. Right now I'm going to switch over to a short slide presentation to share this information. In today's video, we will discuss what functional transition skills and assessments are, why assessing and teaching these skills are one of the most important components to helping students successfully transition to adult life, and how to use functional transition skill assessments to not only meet transition compliance, but also best practices. Let's get started with other names for functional transition skills. They are often referred to as soft skills, social-emotional skills, behavior skills, interpersonal skills, and life skills. Functional transition skills encompass all of these skills. So what are functional transition skills? They are competencies that are transferable to employment and work settings, independent living, including relationships, and education and training, including trade schools, college, on-the-job training. Some examples of functional skills are respect, integrity, kindness, organization, self-motivation, adaptability, responsibility, grit, and resilience. According to Forbes, January 2021, functional or soft skills are essential to the future of work. And I'm going to take it one step further and say that functional skills are important to every aspect of life. They enhance employability and help people stay employed. There are skills such as working well with others, being self-motivated, taking initiative. As we know, if you make more money, you have a higher standard of living. Therefore, you have more experiences, less stress, and better health. Having functional transition skills also helps engage in meaningful interactions with others because there are skills such as respect, communication, and compromise. These skills also help manage stress in life, which means that people are healthier and happier. There are skills such as nutritional habits, fitness, mindfulness, and leisure activities. Functional transition skills also help with better relationships, including family, friends, and community, because of the skills of kindness, empathy, working together, and integrity. And in addition, these functional skills provide students with higher levels of academic achievement because of the skills of organization, problem solving, and taking initiative. Now that we've discussed the importance of teaching students functional skills, you might be wondering which functional skills students need to work on. The answer to that is to administer an age-appropriate functional skills assessment. These kinds of assessments are a collection of data focusing on the student's functional strengths and needs. It is data that is gathered from the IEP team, including the student if they're able, their parents, and teachers. After the data is gathered, the functional strengths are used to guide the students to make meaningful life and employment choices, while the functional needs are developed to ensure the student reaches a higher level of success in employment, independent living, and post-secondary education. Throughout the country, many transition teachers are only using academic assessments and interest inventories to assess for students' transition needs. In order to meet compliance and best practice, functional skills need to be assessed and addressed to adequately prepare students for adult life. In addition, the functional skill assessment results need to be included in the PLEP of the transition IEP. The functional skill assessments are then used to help the IEP team prioritize needs and develop annual goals, transition services, and/or selecting courses of study. In order to get the students' big picture of their functional skill needs, they can be more accurately addressed when the whole IEP team is involved. For today's bonus, we will be sending you information and resources on functional skills and functional skill assessments. Some of these resources include past Transition Tuesday episodes to give you information on age-appropriate transition assessments, how to write comprehensive present levels of academic achievement and functional performance, and then connecting the pieces of these things into the transition IEP. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you use this information to help guide your students to a successful transition to adult life. Be sure to check your email for the bonus we just sent over. If this is the first time you've ever seen an episode of Transition Tuesday, click the link below to receive the bonus. Be sure to like and share the video and leave a comment or suggestion for a future episode of Transition Tuesday. I hope you have a great day and see you on the next Transition Tuesday.